Hello, I'm Ben, and thanks for checking out this video. You found an experienced writer who loves to help others transform their screenplay ideas into reality. But I also know every screenplay writer for hire will tell you something like that. So what sets me apart? Well, after decades of writing, I also know the most important thing is listening to you. Delivering what you want is paramount and always the first priority. I also provide you with a properly formatted screenplay. When writing for TV, I know the proper way to use teasers, the difference between multicam and single cam. For the silver screen, I know the formatting differences between writing a standard spec script and formatting one to meet a big studio's guidelines. Then there are sites like YouTube, Instagram, and Vimeo. I've written numerous pieces like simple scripts in Google Docs to audio-visual scripts. In short, I not only write unique, compelling scripts to make your vision shine, but I also get the script formatted properly for the use in mind. So if you do hire me, what do you get? Most often I send a PDF file, but whatever you want, just let me know if you need a specific file format. Also, should you need edits or changes, I welcome revisions and won't stop writing until you're happy. If you have questions or if you need a custom offer, shoot me a message and I'll answer promptly. Thanks for watching, and I hope to hear from you. So until then, happy writing.